Hey guys, today I'm back with these cute little monster nails on a glitter base. This is my last Halloween mani of the year, which is very sad because I love Halloween. So I hope you enjoy. So I started off by creating this glitter base for my nails. I first applied one coat of each nail colour. I used 3 fun lacquer glitter polishes in a clear base, and also the orange polish is Xyler the cat from Holo. I've been obsessed with glitter polish since that release came out. Then I proceeded by applying liquid latex to protect my skin. Now with a sponge, I applied an even coat of the glitter polish to the sponge. This allowed the polish to absorb into the sponge, leaving the glitters behind. Once I was happy with that, then I sponged on the glitter goodness onto my nails. I then did this for all the other nail colours until I had a full mani. Next, to level up this mani, I apply one coat of the polish, the glitter polishes, just to smooth out the base. Now we're done with the liquid latex, I just peeled it off the nails. The final step of the base is adding a luscious thick coat of top coat to seal in the gorgeous glitters. Now at the base, you can leave them like this for a true glitter appreciation. But now we're going to make them spooky. So to make them spooky, I'm using my moyou London Halloween 05 plate, and I'm just stamping all of these little creatures in black from Twinkle Tea. It's called Vibin'. This is the little zombie. I thought he was cute. Now I'm just stamping the little mummy, and then I stamp the little Frankenstein, and then lastly a little Dracula. So leaving all the images on the stamper, I'm starting with the zombie. I'm just going in with a dotting tool and painting his brains pink. And then for his skin, I went in with this sort of mouldy green colour. Because you know, skin's going to go a bit weird when it's gone, dead for ages. And then I painted his little jumper brown. And I painted his hair a darker brown. And I left that to the side to dry. That's what he looks like. It's cute. So for the rest of the decals, here I am painting Frankenstein. I'm just painting his hair black. He's got a very square shaped head. And then with a nice purple, I'm painting his t-shirt. And then I'm using a very bright green to paint his skin. And not forgetting his little hands. So now I'm painting the mummy, and I'm just taking a brown polish and I'm painting his face and his ears. I'm saying he, but it could be a girl. And then using a dark cream, I'm painting the bandages as if, you know, they're going to be not white if they've been there for thousands of years. They're definitely brownish. And so onto Dracula now, I'm just painting his little coat red. And then I painted his face with this mauvey green, mauvey grey. And also did his chest because I couldn't be bothered to paint any other colour. He's shirtless. And then to apply those decals to the nails, I'm just applying one coat of my Maniology sticky base. And I waited about a minute for that to go sticky. And then I just stamped them all on my nails. And this is where a clear jelly stamper comes handy because you can see straight through to where you want it on the nail. But if it's not a clear jelly stamp, well, if the base isn't, but the stamper is, I took the kawaii stamper, I took the jelly part out of the stamper and I just placed it on my nail like that. And then this one was guesswork because you can't even see because it's so damaged from acetone. And finally, a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, my cute little monster nails. And these are so adorable. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe. Subscribe would be good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.